Hey Maryland. After you've been in a motorcycle crash, you may be wondering if you can even afford an attorney to represent you. Well, good news. The attorneys at Alpert Schreyer will represent you without charging a fee to you unless we win, and that fee is a percentage of the result we get for you. If you've been in a motorcycle crash, you're probably wondering what your case is worth. Well, click the link below, fill out the form, and we'll get to work right away figuring out what the value of your case is worth so that you can get full and fair compensation.